Okay, this is house number 2. Just kind of got busy and forgot to record, but I wanted to give a tour. This is the smaller of the 2 homes, seasonal homes we built over here in Jefferson. So this is the living room. It's a little tight, so I'm trying to get a good view, but it's cramped. So a lot of similarities between the other home and this one. They were built in tandem. We built them at the same time. So that's a stone wall. Pennsylvania River Rock is the name of that stone there. Here's the stairs. We did this was an afterthought actually. Originally he had drywall here. Some of this was done by the homeowner too. We did most of it, but a lot of the things he wanted to try and... So some of it's unfinished, things that he wants to do himself, but he had originally drywalled this, and we built we put these timber stairs in, and just like the other home, these are come in components, and we cut and install everything. So this is the same staircase as the last home had, pretty much the same exact thing. But like I said, we came back and we added in this river rock. Here's the way we did the landing at the top here. Here's the bathroom. Upstairs bathroom. We still have to paint the ceiling in here for him. He was going to do that, but now he's opted to not do that. And this was a cool tile shower. He got this, I liked he got this nice tile. And what I tiled it is I wrapped all of his tiles around. So you get that nice flowing effect because they are wood, so you can appreciate the grain continuing around the corner. So that's that. Here's a bedroom. It's all pretty plain in here. These are all white pine floors we put in. 3/4 inch white pine floors. We installed them, sanded them, stained them, and polyed them. So this is the loft. Let's see if I can get a light on in there. There we go. Okay, back downstairs. Dining room. Like the other home, if you've seen that tour, this was actually a log they cut off the property, and it is structural. There's an LVL. It's semi-structural. It is obviously posted in the wall with two tripled up 2x6 jacks under the triple LVL in the ceiling, but this is also under it, so it's also point load there, and same exact thing here. And then we did this stone under the stairs as well. So, and then this is this was a little fun project I had here. So these are this granite countertop went in, not installed by us, but we were a little concerned with the overhang. It's pretty long overhang all the way around, especially with this range here. There's really nothing under this. The range is almost the full depth of the cabinet, so this whole expanse of granite here was just floating. And so he wanted to do stone on the back of his island, so we did the stone, and I took some driftwood that I pulled out of a body of water, and I had saved it in the shop, and I made these brackets to be brackets, but kind of fit the narrative here that we're going for. So. And this is the kitchen. These are all custom cabinets built and finished just by us, and these are antiqued, if you can see in the corners. Very faint, not like the other kitchen. So, all soft close. This copper sink was fun to install. A wall oven. Got the refrigerator cabinet. So, no crazy designs in this kitchen. It was fairly straightforward. You can see we just cleared basement. This is the other spare bathroom, and he's been putting the doors in himself, so we got a couple doors in here he still hasn't mounted. But this light was pretty interesting. This is an old barn beam, and we use some old farm equipment, and then there's the vanity. Small bathroom. Sorry, it's a little hard to do a walkthrough in here because it's quite a bit smaller and less open than the other home was. So he did some lantern lights. We put these in. So that's that. And this is the master bath. And like I said, he's still doing trim, and actually I think he did most of this bathroom. We put the shower in and we put some of the pine in, but he did the ceilings, and so we're still waiting on him to finish. So, and we did a different floor in here. This is golden oak in the bedroom. We did a different stain out there. So yep, that is that, and then I'll get a quick shot of the front, the outside, and then the porch. Just doing my walk around. We just did this deck. Unfortunately, I didn't get any I didn't have time to do any camera work for it, but it was pretty much like the other one. Just a much more straightforward, simple deck. This is the veranda decking by Azek, and I can tell you my personal view on the two. The Trex is a much better product. I don't like this veranda decking at all. It's far more susceptible to damage, much easier to chip. It grows and it shrinks and expands more than the Trex does. And yeah, just definitely prefer the Trex product over this veranda. So this is the house. And again, everything you see here is was done by us, except the windows. Ironically, on this house, the homeowner did decide to do his own windows, so he put the windows in. We just we did everything else as far as the finish goes. That's the gable. See if I get you a good shot here. And we'll probably do some time-lapse footage of this ceiling here. This is going to be our next project he wants us to do for him, so we'll be doing those stairs. And that's that.